My grandfather, Tony Justinich, he came to Canada in 1928 from the former Yugoslavia. He was from Croatia.
He was recruited as a farmer. So the CP representative came to his village, and he said he was a farmer because they wanted farmers to come to Canada. So he checked his hands. They found that they were calloused. So he just assumed he was a farmer.
They were destined to work on farms in Western Canada.
He and his brother, his older brother, John, came to Canada in 1928. So what happened was they landed in Quebec City. They were supposed to take a train to Winnipeg.
I'm sure there was some discussion among the immigrants that were probably on that train that there might have been more opportunities in Ontario, and that might be a better place to start out. So that idea about going to the farm was abandoned.
They ended up jumping the train in Toronto.